Wait, is that the doorbell?
Who is that?
Is it Santa?
Is that Santa?
Oh my goodness! Come on, let's go! Come on!
Let's go.
I'll go with you. The door.
Oh, I bet you got something really.
Who is that? Go see.
Come here, Bo. Let's check the door. Let's check the door. Come here. Let's see. What did he leave? A sack?
Oh, I think he brought you a present.
Yeah,
I think he brought you a present.
What is that?
Come on, let's go. Let's come inside. Let's come inside and open it.
What is it? Where'd you get that from?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Santa left his whole sack?
Oh yay!
I got it.
Where? Oh, it's a present from Blake.
It says from
It
Santa.
says from Santa.
He must have heard you were at Mimi's house.
Somebody runs by and you were here, lady.
I got spinning!
Alright, so I got the first minute.
What is it? What is it?
Is that Brian on the box?
What is it? Can you look who it does look like Daddy, doesn't it?
Oh, it's not really him.
Let's see what it is. Can you open it?
I'm not a left.
I'm gonna break my nail.
You doing modeling on the side?
You could do it? You could show me? Oh my goodness.
Open it.
Somebody help us here.
What is it?
What'd you get? Look what it is. It's snowballs.
Snowball.
Snowballs? Pretend snowballs to do a
We
snowball
did
fight?
a snowball fight in the
Oh,
house.
that's cool.
Oh yeah! Oh,
That was cool gift, right?
there's no other present.
No, those
Well,
are-
later
He's
on.
on his way
He's
to our
on his
house.
way to your
So you'll get house. You'll
Now
get,
look
get
what you
presents
got.
tomorrow.
You got snowballs.
That's so cute.
Cool.
Here, throw them at everybody.
Snowball fight!
Yay!
Throw 'em.
Go ahead, throw it.
Hit Mommy.
Here, hit it. Throw them. Go ahead, throw them at everybody. Where's Nano?
Good, throw them at everybody.
Hey, not to me!
Whoa!
What?
Charge that your shoulder.
You can't touch them!
You can't what?
You gonna guys it?
That was super fun.
That was fun.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
You gonna put them in the bag?
I think this is really fun gift.
I think you should throw them all at Uncle Mike over there. He looks bored.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, throw them in. Throw them all at him. Yeah.
Hurry up, they're melting.
Oh,
Good job.
They're cold. Are they cold, B?
Ah, good throw.
What are you throwing them at? There's nothing over there. Throw them at him. Here.
It's a good present.
It's a great present for you. Yeah.